Hi, welcome back to my Gurukul. Oh, Mike. Hello, welcome back to my Gurukul. Without this, you won't be able to hear. Mm, yeah, so today we'll continue with our gardening video. I just want to show a few things which I have observed, which probably majority of the new people who are started with new gardening will face issues with, right? Even I am facing that, and we will try to find out, we'll try to show you what are the problems or the initial hiccups faced when you're doing gardening, right? One major thing is plants not growing, because I have sowed few plants 2 months back, and they're still very short. They've not grown tall. So one of the main reasons probably is the soil mixture which I have purchased. Maybe it's not, it does, the vermicompost which has been given along with the soil mixture is not really that great. It doesn't have nutrients. So I'll show you that. The second one which I have seen is the leaves being eaten up. So it's not a caterpillar. Remember, if it's a caterpillar, you will be able to find the caterpillar, and the leaves eaten by the caterpillar usually will be a large amount. If it is small bits of leaf being eaten, then it is only ants. That's my observation while doing gardening, right? So I will show these two to you. And yeah, one more, another third one is leaves getting discolored. That means leaves usually will be green, light green or dark green, but then apart from these two, they being yellowish, they turning a little dried up. And this one, so this is the three major hiccups which you will see while you are gardening for the first time. All right, so come on, I'll take you to the garden and I'll show you more. So hi, this is our little place. Now remember, in the previous video we had started drying the neem seeds, but then it's taking quite a few time, because from past 1 week it's rainy here and there's no bright sunlight there up to dry. So I'm anyways keeping it here in the morning and picking it up as soon as it starts raining. And so this is the one I'm talking about. I mean, the plants have started to grow, but they're of the same length from past few days. They're not growing up, neither taller nor with more leaves. So this reason might, one of the reasons being soil mixture not being right. Even this is lady's finger or okra. I have sown it almost 2 months back. They're still of the same size, not growing up. And some white spots on these leaves. Now I really don't know what they are. We'll have to figure it out. So with palak, again palak, this is palak, and they were not, but they were added ganji, that is the boiled water. I mean the boiled water which is left out after making rice, so that water into it. I'm trying to make my own vermicompost. The fruit peels have been added into one of these green bags, right? So covering it up with soil so that we don't attract flies, and be careful about it during the rainy season with mosquitoes around. So trying to cover it up with the soil. All right, so I'll show you here. If we can focus and see, after the treatment with the water, the rice water, ganji, right? Only one extra leaf has come out there. This is mint. Now you see the leaves being eaten up, right? Small parts of the leaves being eaten up. So this is the job of the ants. Of course, we can spray neem oil and shoo them off, because neem oil again is bitter, and we don't like bitter, and so do the ants. We can spray neem oil, but then somehow my son said, let them eat, otherwise where will they get food from? So I've left it like that, let them eat. If it is too much, and then we'll try to spray the neem oil. So that plant, I sowed them together, but they have not grown up at all. Again, a small bit of the leaf being eaten up. You won't be able to find the ants there, but I don't know, probably in the night or one particular time they're coming and eating up the leaves. All right, so pumpkin, this is pumpkin. I will show you the discoloration of the leaves now in beans. I think it's cowpea beans plant. So I will just try to show you there. It's become almost yellow. So can you see this? Almost turning, getting discolored and withering off. Of course, I think in one of these videos, gardening videos, I have seen that if you find some leaves like this, we need to trim them up, right, or cut it up. so it doesn't spoil the plant. But I have just left it like that. Let nature grow, let's not interfere with it too much. So just leaving it and trying to experiment and see what's going to happen. Can you see the button mushroom there? Yeah, a small mushroom being grown up. Now this happens when again the it's very moist, right? No sunlight being there, so that's one of the reasons why probably the plants are also not growing up. Rainy season here in Chennai now. So I will take you to the other part of the garden. Right now, for me, I chose this place because I had read during the weather report that it will be rainy season for another 3 months. So I knew that I had to give a natural protection for these plants, so that when it rains, it doesn't fall directly on them and get spoiled. That's the reason I have chosen this place. In the previous video, you can see that it's a natural canopy of 4 trees. They are giving them shade and protection from the rain. So probably sunlight not been there too much, so they're not growing up quickly, I guess. That's stem cutting of mint. I will show you in the next video how to do that. Yeah, the tendrils, the stem tendrils are there, trying to wind them up with the trainers, with the stem trainers, or with the trainers to climb them up onto the place where we have made. Right, again you can see leaves being eaten up by the ants. I have sprayed neem oil here, and I've added neem also to the soil, neem leaf powder. So I've collected neem leaves, dried it up nicely in the sunlight, and made into a paste using the mixie jar, and then added that powder into the soil, because on the soil there were a lot of ants. So today, for my surprise, I think I found a flower. Yeah, I think we were going to have a bloom in the garden. Wow, that will be amazing, because once the plants will flower, and I think we will have to self-pollinate, because I can't find honeybees or butterflies being there. So let's try to self-pollinate in the next video and try to see if we can get some harvest by another, say, 1 month or so. Right, so that is again the ants are eating up the plants. I'm assuming it is ants, but actually don't know, because I'm not able to find any insect there. So they're growing tall. That's all for today. I will come back again with a new gardening video next time, right? So I've not left this trimmed. I've left it to be like this. So let's try and see this one, because it has quite some holes. So I'll just snip it up for you. Right, only one I have snipped up, the other one I've left it like that. This is really beautiful to see. 2 of the leaves are there and one is green. Right, so okay then, see you.